Can you see me properly? If anyone, you can just say yes.
Yes.
Okay, because in my screen I cannot see you, anyone.
Actually, our cameras are off.
Okay, okay. So just sit in any comfortable pose. Close your eyes. Keep your hands in Gyan or Chin Mudra. Take a deep breath in and deep breath out. Now we will start our class by chanting one time of Om. Take a deep breath in. Om. Join your both palms in front of your chest. Slowly pull down your head towards God. Exhale. Come into a tabletop position. We will do cow and cat pose, Madhuri Asana. Inhale, look, and exhale, look down. Inhale again, look up, and exhale, look down. While looking down, you have to lock your chin on your chest and make a hump on your back. And while inhalation, you have to make a curve on your spine. Just tuck your tailbone out and look up. Roll your shoulders, open your chest. Again, exhale, look down. Inhale, up, and exhale, look down. Inhale, last time, and then exhale. Now just tuck your toes, lift your hips higher, come for the downward facing dog, and just walk front in your mat and stand into Samasthiti. Yes. Now I will do sun salutation. You guys stand, everyone. And now we'll do sun salutation. Ashtanga A first. Ekam inhale, raise your both arms up over your head for Ujjvrikshasana. Exhale, go fully forward down towards your leg for Uttanasana. 3D inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. Just straight your spine and look front. Your arms, your fingertips will be on the mat. Chatwari, press your palms. Exhale, jump back, Chaturanga. Pancha, inhale, upward facing dog. Sat, exhale, downward facing dog.
Can you do the sequence once and show, please?
Oh, okay. Okay, so look here. I'm showing you how to do it. Inhale, just stand in Samasthiti in front of your mat and inhale. Raise your both arms up over your head. Join your both palms. Look up. And then exhale. Go forward. Inhale, look front. Touch your fingertips like this. And just lengthen your spine. If you cannot lengthen your spine, you can just slightly bend your knees. And then Chatwari, press your palms. You can lift up and then jump back, or you can also take your legs one by one. Just try to lift so you get how to do that. Inhale, lift yourself up and then jump back into Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog, and exhale, downward facing dog. Now just hold there for 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, and you have to do Jai breathing 4 and 5. Now bend your both knees and jump or walk front, whatever you prefer for yourself. Exhale, Then go fully forward down. This is Uttanasana. When you come from downward facing dog and you jump front, you have to come into Urdhva Uttanasana. You have to look front like this. Exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, come up, and then exhale, Samasthiti. Okay, now second round. Here come inhale. Raise your both arms up over your head. Do a exhale, go fully forward down. Ready, inhale, look front. Shatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale, upward. In upward facing dog, your thighs will not touch the floor or your mat. Your thighs will be lifted, only your legs will touch on the floor. Exhale, downward facing dog. Tuck your toes, lift your hips higher and come into downward facing dog. Look at your navel point, your head will in, and you have to look at your navel point and hold there. 1. Your legs will be slightly open. This is not mountain pose. This is downward facing dog. So your legs will open hip distance apart. Look at your navel point. You have to look at your navel point, belly button. And while doing this whole sun salutation, you have to keep in mind that you have to do Ujjayi breathing. Ujjayi breathing, in Ujjayi breathing, whenever we do, we make sound of a baby snoring. How you will make sound? You have to rub your throat. Like this you have to do. When you inhale, just rub your throat and inhale with your throat. And while you exhale, again, try to rub your throat and exhale. Now bend your both knees, jump front into Uttanasana. Halfway look up, exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, all the way come up, Urdhva Vrikshasana. Exhale, Samasthiti. Now third round, again, come inhale. Do a exhale. Ready, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Chaturanga, make Chaturanga, everybody. While you're jumping back, you have to make in Chaturanga. Your elbows will be bent. Bend your elbows like a push-up pose. Yeah, and hold. Inhale, upward facing dog, and then exhale, downward facing dog. Do not skip Chaturanga Dandasana. Now hold 1. Take Ujjayi breathing. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now bend your both knees, jump front into Urdhva Uttanasana. Exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, all the way come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Now we'll do sun salutation B. Again, come inhale, bend your both knees over your head for chair pose, Utkatasana. Come for the Utkatasana. In Utkatasana, what you have to see that your toes will not cross your knee. Your toes will back from your knee. Your knee will not cross your toe. So remind that. And you have to sit back. That's why it is called chair pose, because we sit on a chair back. Very nice. Exhale, go fully forward down. Uttanasana. 3D inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. Chatwari, press your palms. Exhale, jump back, Chaturanga. Pancha, inhale, Urdhmukha. Sat, exhale, Adho Mukha. Sapta, bring your right leg front for warrior A. You have to make more warrior A. So bring your right leg front, make 90-degree angle from your right leg, and your left knee will be straight. And don't lift your left heel. Keep your left heel on the mat. Okay, inhale, raise your both arms over your head. Very good. Hold one, push your pelvis down, push your hips down as much as you can make. 2, 3, 4. Now listen, don't come back. Exhale, go forward from your upper body. Don't take your leg back. Just go forward and straight your arms front. You are doing correct. आगे खींचिए. Just look here. You have to go from this position like this and push your knee out. Push your knee out and stretch your arms front and hold. 1. Don't take support of your thigh or you have to push your thigh knee out of your right hand and go down, more down from your right hand. Hold. 2. Just maintain your balance. 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, press your palms and go for the Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Bring your left leg front between your both palms for warrior A. Hold into warrior A. 1 from your left leg. Raise your arms up over your head. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now exhale, go forward. Same like you have done with your right leg. Hold 1. Just maintain your balance and keep your body in one line. 2. You have to stretch your arms, stretch yourself front. 3, 4, and 5. Exhale again, go back and jump for Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha, downward facing dog. Now hold again. 1, Ujjayi breathing is very important. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now bend your both knees, jump front or walk front, whatever you prefer, and come for the halfway look up, Urdhva Uttanasana. You have to look front. Exhale, go fully forward down. Inhale, all the way come up for Utkatasana. Exhale, Samasthiti. Now we will do third set. You come inhale again, bend your both knees, raise your arms up.
There is one question. When we are stretching our arms outside, though you said that left heel has to be on the floor. The other heel, which is the leg which
you
is
have
back.
To push your left. Yeah. Yes, you have to keep your we in warrior pose. We keep our back feet also flat like this, slightly
Okay.
5 degrees in. Your angle will be you have to not tuck your toes like this. You have to keep your foot flat.
Okay.
Okay. Now third set again. Inhale, raise your both arms up over your head. To exhale. Please keep in mind that when I say exhale, you have to exhale. Inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. Chatwari, press your palms and exhale, jump back into Chaturanga. Make Chaturanga, everybody. Inhale, upward facing dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Now bring your right leg front for warrior C. You have to bring your right leg between your both palms, lift left leg also up from the floor, join your both palms in front of your chest, or you can just do it straight. Your left leg will be here now. You can see how to do warrior C. You like this, you bring your right leg front and then you have to maintain a balance like this. Stretch your leg or you can just stretch your hands. Very nice. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. And 5. Exhale. Jump back. Chaturanga. Inhale Urdhva Mukha. Exhale Adho Mukha. Downward facing dog. Now bring your left leg front and make warrior C from your left leg. Hold 1. Warrior C. Balance on your left leg. Make balance on your left leg. 2. RSG अपना पीछे वाला लेग बिठाइए. 3, 4 and 5. Again press your palms and jump back. Chaturanga. चतुरंगा आप स्किप मत करिए, सब अच्छे से बनाइए. चतुरंगा एल्बोस को बेंड करिए, क्लोजर रखिए चेस्ट से. इनहेल अपवर्ड फेसिंग डॉग एंड एक्सेल डाउनवर्ड फेसिंग डॉग. Take deep breath in, deep breath out, and come into plank pose. Come into plank, full plank. Keep your hips higher. Lean yourself front. Push your shoulder blades away from each other and engage your core. Exhale, Chaturanga. Make Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. If you cannot make Chaturanga, you can use your support of your knee. You can place your knee also on your mat and then you can just try to make Chaturanga. Okay, second round again, come for the plank. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. And exhale, Adho Mukha, downward facing dog. Third round again, come for the plank. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Fourth round, plank. Chaturanga. Inhale and exhale. Fifth round again, come for the plank. Chaturanga. Inhale and exhale. Sixth round, plank. Chaturanga. Inhale and exhale. Seventh round again, come for the plank. Chaturanga. Inhale and exhale. Last round, we will do with holding. Come for the plank. Hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, Chaturanga. Hold into Chaturanga for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, upward facing dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Everybody, downward facing dog. Relax yourself here. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Gain your energy back for upcoming poses. Okay, now come for the plank, just straight plank. Now what you have to do, you have to touch your right knee on your right elbow and left knee on your left elbow. Change. 1, 2, change. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Hold one side, touch your right knee on your right elbow and just hold it there. Just push your knee up as much as you can push and try to touch your knee on your armpit. change another leg to your left leg on your left elbow, and again hold. And then take your bell leg back and come for the child pose and relax for a few seconds. Shashank Asana, open your knee in Vajrasana and just straight your hands front and relax yourself. Okay, again, tuck your toe, come for the downward facing dog. Now again, come for the plank. Now what you have to do, you have to touch your right knee on your left elbow, opposite leg to your opposite knee, opposite knee to your opposite elbow. If you are using your right knee, then touch on your left elbow and left knee to your right elbow. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and hold one side. Just hold opposite leg to opposite elbow and then hold. Point your toes and lift your knee up and keep your core engaged. Very, very nice. Hold, hold, hold. Don't come back. Lean front as much as you can and then take your leg back. Now change your leg, another leg to your another elbow. Again, hold with changing your leg and leaning forward is very important in this. That's where you will get the strength. Very nice. Again, take your leg back, come for the downward facing dog. Now we will do plank, hold for the plank.
Just show the cross one, the correct position. Can you just do it and show?
See, first I will correctly show the plank pose if you want. I'm seeing whenever people are doing, they are doing like this. Some are doing hips down, some are doing lifting their hips very up in the high, but it is not correct. You have to keep your body in one line and push shoulder blades away and engage your core and then lean forward. And then lean forward as much as you can lean like this.
So is there supposed
Don't
to be
lift your
curve
hips.
on the back?
Yeah, it will, because you push your shoulder blade away. So you push your shoulders like this.
Okay.
So if you push your shoulders like this, there will be a slightly curve on your upper back here, on your scapula. So this is the correct way. And lean forward. Lean. If you will lean, then you will get more strength. And yeah, another knee to another elbow like this. Okay.
Okay.
You got it? Okay. Again, come for the plank. Today we are doing strength and core exercises. Hold into plank for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Don't do anterior pelvic tilt. सलोनी जी, आपका एंटीरियर पेल्विक टिल्ट आपको अपने स्टमक को ऊपर उठाना है, एंगेज करना है. अगर आप एंटीरियर पेल्विक टिल्ट करोगे तो आपके बैक में लंबर में पेन आ सकता है और आपकी कोर का एंगेजमेंट नहीं होगा. हाँ, दिस इज द करेक्ट पोजीशन. नाउ जस्ट lift your left arm up and come for the side plank. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Again, come front and hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, very nice. 3, 4. आरस जी थोड़ा सा ऊपर करिए अपने स्टमक को. 4, yes. And 5. Now come on the another hand. Last 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Again, come front. And now you have to shake your hips up and down. You have to push your hips down and up. Yes, I'll show you how you have to do it. Push your hips like this. 1, 2. Okay, you have to push your hips down and up. 3, 4, and 5. Come for the side plank, and now you have to side shake. Just feel engagement in your obliques. जो आपके obliques हैं उसमें feel करिए. Again, push up and down. 1, push your pelvis down. 2, yes, 3, lift up. 4, 5. Again, come front. Again, shake at front. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Come for the side. Another hand. 5, shake. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come into plank and then come into downward facing dog and just relax yourself for a few seconds. Everybody, again, come for the half plank, elbow plank. Come into elbow plank. Very nice. Hold 1. अगर आपकी रिस्ट में पेन हो रहा है तो थोड़ा सा रोटेट कर लीजिए. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Come for the side plank. 1. Hold. Push your obliques away from the floor. 2, side belly. 3. How much you can lift, it will be better if you lift your side oblique. 3, 4, and 5. Again, come front. If you feel tired, then just relax for a few seconds and then again come back. Don't just lay down, come back. Again, hold and come for the another side into half elbow plank. अगर आपको टायर्डनेस फील हो रही है, थोड़ा सा अगर आप वापस जाते हैं तो वापस आ जाओ थोड़ी देर बाद. Okay, again, come for the another hand. Change your hand. 5, side plank, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Again, come front. Now you have to shake your belly up and down. 1, shake your belly. 2, 3, 4. Hips आगे पीछे नहीं, ऊपर नीचे. 3, 4, and 5. Now come for the side and side shake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, come front. 5, come front. 4, 3, 2, 1. Change your side, another side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Just come front and come for the downward facing dog. Again, relax yourself for a few seconds. Now we'll do some counter poses for our core. Just bend your knees for child pose for a few seconds. It's okay, Jill. You can relax for a few seconds if you feel tired. Just do not breathe with your mouth, breathe with your nostrils and deep inhale. You have to inhale long and exhale, deep and long exhale. Just feel each and every breath and relax yourself. Kisen, just come for the downward face child pose, Sashankasana. You are into downward facing dog right now. Okay, now we'll do some counter poses. Just lay down from your front part. Lay down. Stretch your arms front and legs back. You have to stretch your arms front, both arms, and leg back. With inhale, you have to stretch, and exhale, lose your body. Inhale, again stretch your arms, legs back, and then exhale, again lose your body. Try doing it 5 to 6 times, and then just relax. Okay, now press your palms on the floor and just lift your chest up. Little bit chest up, roll your shoulders. Exhale down. Inhale again up. Exhale down. Inhale up and hold for a few seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale down. Now lay down on your back, turn yourself. Now bend your both knees, hug your knees. Roll yourself up, down, up, down. Roll yourself, front roll, back roll. Try to doing some side rolling, side roll. I cannot see the message. Okay, check message. Sir, can you please do the poses once as well? It will be good to practice seeing on YouTube, because I practice in the mornings in okay. Okay, I will show you. Okay, now next pose. You have to twist yourself, just lay down, both knees, left side, look left side, right side. And then both knees, right side, and look left side. Change again. Just stretch your belly as much as you can. Twist your spine. Now just bend your knees, keep your knees like this. And just lift your hips up and grab your ankles. And lift your hips and don't lift your neck. Just place your neck on the floor and lift your hips up. Now slowly release yourself and then sit down in any comfortable position. Keep your both knees, keep your both palms on your knees in Gyan or Chin Mudra, whatever you prefer for yourself. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in and deep breath out. Again, take a deep breath in and deep breath out. Now we'll chant one time Om followed by 3 Shanti. Deep breath in. Tat Pranabhav. Om. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Now join your both palms, rub your both palms, apply on your face, apply on your eyes, apply on your whole body, and slowly bow down your head towards God and thanks God for giving us strength for today's class. Namaste. So guys, if you have any questions, you can ask. Okay, so no questions.
So I just had question.
Okay,
I just
okay.
had a question relating to the alignment in the postures actually.
Okay.
So what
So,
would be the exact, like today you told us, right, in the plank position, how our, arch is supposed to be shaped
yes,
and
yes. So,
the lower back.
yeah.
So that would be, I mean, it would be great in next classes. You could just do the asana and tell that what the alignment should be of the body.
Okay, so next time, if you want to like learn about the alignment of the postures, I will tell you, and we will do a class of particular alignment. Okay.
The evening class that we have 6 to 7 o'clock, right?
Yeah.
That is
You can also ask Rahul sir, which who give alignment class on 6 to 7.
okay.
So if you have any queries, you can ask with him as well, and I will be also tell you. I will also tell you about
Okay.
the alignment of the posture.
Okay. Okay. And
Okay.
about the degrees and the timing that we should hold each asana, like all those things.
Yeah, this all these things I will tell also, and in alignment class also you will learn that how much degrees you have to keep your leg, where you should have to see. I will also tell you.
Okay, and will you also be
Okay.
briefing us about who should be doing which asana? Like, some people like have
Mhm,
BP problem, high BP or low BP,
mhm.
right? Diabetes. So will you be briefing us about who should do the particular asanas and who should avoid them? Like there are certain,
But
like we did today, right?
but
The core
yeah.
exercise. People with
See,
back pain will not be able to do
if
them, right?
if I tell these things, then the class will be like of theory class will be more. It will be not like asanas class. So you have to see by your own these things. We can just tell you about the alignment and the asana. The theory knowledge you have to uh, learn from your own.
But since it's a
Mm.
teacher's training class,
So
I'm
you are
sorry.
doing okay. You are doing TTC right now.
Yes, I
Okay,
am
okay,
doing
okay.
teacher's training course, right? So for that, I think that is necessary for me to know. I have
Yeah,
been doing this
yeah.
for last 4 or 5 years. I've been teaching also, but
Okay.
I needed the certification and the details regarding this thing only, right? Which asanas should be
Mm-hmm.
done by which kind of a patient.
Yeah,
Like this is
this
very
also
knowledge.
comes in alignment class. In
Okay,
alignment class, teacher tells you that what to do and what not to do, both
okay,
things.
great.
Because in asanas class, I will tell, then it will be take very long and we cannot
Fine,
do
fine. So I need to
practice
ask all these things in the alignment
in
class, right?
alignment class. Yeah.
Okay, great.
Sir,
Thank
only
you.
the problem, I think
Um,
network issue is the biggest
yeah, yeah,
issue.
yeah, yeah. But
Because even the
now,
last evening,
mhm.
I think it's only 5 minutes, and then after that, it was like whole session was like complete blank
Yeah, but
screen.
from
So
today, you will not
even
face this problem, I guess, because network has good now. They have worked on the
okay,
network here, and the Wi-Fi is working very properly.
okay. See, because we are doing teacher training, and
Yeah,
for
yeah,
my hours are really odd hours. Means
yeah,
my
yeah, yeah.
last class is like 12:30 to 1:30, like midnight. I'm
Okay.
talking about.
Oh,
So for
okay.
me, getting up for this particular reason, because next day morning I have to get up for my classes also,
Yeah.
and
So
I
now you
because
will
I'm
not
a teacher,
face.
so I
Yeah.
take online classes. So 7:30 onwards, I have to again till 4 o'clock. I have to go for my classes, and then
Okay.
again I have to go for
Okay.
this classes. So please, if it is possible,
Yeah.
talk to your management
Yeah.
regarding this.
Yeah. I will tell them, and I have said to them that's why the network has fixed now, and you will not
Okay,
face
okay,
problems
great,
like this. Okay.
Um,
great. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Before you go, could you just tell me how long it is until the next class? Because I have a problem. I'm
The
not sure
next,
what of the times, and I keep on
next,
missing
yeah,
classes. Yeah, the
next
alignment
class,
class.
yeah, next class is 6 to 7 India,
6.
Indian timings. Yeah,
So
6
that's
p.m. to 7
yeah.
p.m.
4. So
Yes.
that's about 1 o'clock English time, isn't it? Is
Oh,
it?
yeah,
Well,
I
it's
Yes,
about
guess.
yes, 4
4
hours
hours.
difference.
But is it four
Yeah,
and a
4
half
hours
hours,
difference.
or
Yeah,
4.5?
yeah.
Do
So
Yes,
you
you
so
know?
it's near about 11 o'clock, I think, in England.
in
Is
English
it?
11,
timing, yeah.
11:30.
I'm not sure. How many hours from now in India would it be?
It would be after
3 hours.
3 hours.
3 hours from now. Okay, lovely.
Mm.
Super. Thank you very much. Thank
Yeah,
you.
welcome.
Okay.
Namaste to
Thank you.
everyone.
Thank you. Namaste. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Welcome. Bye, everyone.